This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Kimmy Dornan. Come see this beautiful 2-story home in Kiln Creek. Open floor plan. Living room with gas fireplace. Updated flooring in kitchen and living room. Sunroom offers extra living space. Dining room with hardwood floors. Kitchen with breakfast area and center island. Primary bedroom with 2 walk-in closets. Second floor laundry. Whole house generator. Leaf guard gutters. Roof only 4 years old. Enjoy all the amenities that Kiln Creek has to offer, including golf course, tennis courts, pool, and walking trails. Located near military bases, Interstate 64, shopping and restaurants. York County schools. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimmy Dornan at 757-715-0280.